In today's video, I'm going to teach you Revolut ACH routing number, where to find it. If you need to set up a direct deposit, link Revolut to another bank, or receive a domestic transfer in the United States, you'll need your ACH routing number. I'll walk you through exactly where it lives in the Revolut app and point out a few tips so you grab the right details the first time. First, open the Revolut app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and your app is up to date so the layout matches what you see here. A stable internet connection helps the account details load quickly. Next, go to the Accounts area. You can tap the Accounts tab or simply tap your USD balance if it's visible on the home screen. This is important. ACH transfers are US local transfers, so you're specifically looking for your US dollar account inside Revolut. If you hold multiple currencies, be sure you're viewing USD. That keeps the details relevant for ACH. Now open your account details. Look for a button or link labeled US Local Account Details or Account Details. The exact wording can vary slightly by app version or region, but the key is that you want the section that shows local details for the United States. If you see multiple detail types, choose the one indicating US or local rather than international. On the details screen, you'll see the information presented clearly for your USD account. Give it a moment to load fully and scroll if needed so you don't miss anything. Here's what you're looking for: the ACH routing number, your account number, and the bank name. The ACH routing number is the 9-digit code that identifies the financial institution for US domestic transfers. The account number is unique to your USD account within Revolut. The bank name listed is the partner bank that holds your USD deposits for ACH purposes. These are the numbers you'll typically provide to an employer for payroll or to another US bank when connecting accounts. A couple of quick tips before you use them. Use the copy buttons in the app to avoid typos and verify the digits once more before sending them to anyone. Keep these details private and only share them with trusted payers or institutions. Also note that ACH details are different from international wire or SWIFT details. If someone specifically asks for ACH, the routing number shown here is the one to use. That's all you need. Open Revolut, head to your USD account, view US local account details, and you'll have your ACH routing number, account number, and bank name ready to go. Thanks for watching and handle those details safely.